This product right here is beautiful because you can take this out on location. It's compact, it's small, it's like a softbox, but I use it more for fill light, or if I'm gonna do a full body shot, I use it to light up my subject. And that's the thing, photography doesn't have to be expensive. You can get away with shooting with one light, okay? As long as you understand the art of natural light, how to use natural light, either as a main light or as a fill light, the possibilities are endless. You can see again when I was talking about using a softbox and using something like this, you get that natural, that beautiful catch light in the eyes. This one's more of a pin light, but it's still very strong. Excellent. So what we're getting again, we're getting lovely. So my main light, my key light is natural light on this one. Okay, so we're getting lovely light that's coming onto her face, as you can see. And because we've got this lovely, really rectangular kind of shape where the light's just pouring through, we're getting the highlights in the hair, which absolutely, which, you know, separates her from the background even more and brings a lovely highlight that I want, especially when I'm shooting urban shots.